This is a story about the puppy on the first mountain climb. Say hello, Misty. Say hello. Once upon a time, Daddy and Misty set off for the Brecons on the Armed Forces Day, hence the mask and the bedding. So, Mummy's partying, isn't she, Misty? Give me a lick. Mummy's partying with her friends, and me and Misty are rough camping. And the funny part about it, Misty, is we're part where me, Mummy and Ozzy rough camped before. And guess what Mummy did in the woods? But we can't tell anyone, can we? So this is a story about Misty, the puppy that walked up the mountain. Once upon a time, when Misty was a little girl, she came out with Daddy and she wanted to climb mountains. Didn't you, Misty? Okay, she's going to start guarding me. The story will continue. Hey Misty, I've heard of places like this in South Wales. I think they call it the Tree Buyers community. We got it covered. Damn, there's a lot of them. Charge them, Misty. You know it's a bad day for walking mountains when your phone clicks into night vision. Don't worry, Misty's got the compass on. You can see it dangling there. Never eat shredded wheat. Do you know where we're going? Misty, have a drink. Your big brother, as soon as he saw a mountain, knew that it was time to fill up with water. Misty, have a drink. Go on. Okay. We're going the Ferrell way, Misty. We're going the Ferrell Fill way. Visibility low. Hello, Misty! Misty! Hello! Even though we got that to go to Panavan, even I'm not silly enough to carry on. We nearly made it! Well, Misty, it's a good job your dad's feral, because that compass was a waste of time. There's a reservoir there, everyone. We're home! Daddy made it home! Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. And that's one of the quickest descents from Panavan. Even the SAS would have been proud of that. Where's the bongo? Find the bongo. She's very clever. Where's the bongo? I'm going to finish on a story. Me and Judy went up a mountain, 6,300 feet in Poland. And I got to the top and I said, honey, there's nobody left on the mountain. And Judy's legs went to jelly. I said to Misty, Misty, we're the only ones on the mountain. Your legs didn't go to jelly, did they? Over and out.